The Geza family has officially confirmed the death of prominent activist Comrade Blessed Geza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell, bringing clarity to widespread speculation that had circulated on social media. In a statement released on 6 February 2026, the family announced that Blessed Geza passed away early that morning at a cardiac hospital in South Africa. According to the statement, his death was related to cardiac complications. Describing him as a hero who dedicated his life to justice, the family highlighted Comrade Geza's impact on many Zimbabweans through his unwavering fight for equality and the realization of people's aspirations. The family also urged Zimbabweans to remain strong and united during this difficult period, while issuing a firm warning against individuals attempting to exploit his passing for personal gain. They specifically discouraged the public from responding to any unauthorized GoFundMe or fundraising calls, stating that such initiatives are not endorsed by the family. Funeral arrangements are currently underway, and the family said official details will be shared in due course. They further indicated that a designated family spokesperson will be announced to handle all communication moving forward. The Geza family concluded the statement by expressing heartfelt gratitude for the prayers, messages for support, and condolences received from Zimbabweans at home and abroad. More details to follow.